This guy is definitely a genius. He actually used simple materials to create a great three-wheeled motorcycle, fitted with a 250 cubic centimeters motor, with excellent performance, and it takes less than 7 seconds to accelerate 100 kilometers. The multi-link suspension design is not only smooth and comfortable, but also easy to control when turning. The young man was a student majoring in machine manufacturing. When he came home from the holidays, he saw his father working hard to support himself at school. He was under 50, but his hair was already gray. He rode the old jolling motorcycle to the city to do odd jobs every day. The mother's face was full of disbelief after learning about it, saying how could such a complex motorcycle be built? Don't think about it, and order the young man to give up this unrealistic idea, but the young man didn't care. He didn't want to give up anything for anything else, just to make his father's future travel safer and easier. The boy was well aware of the difficulties of this production, but he was full of motivation when he thought of the slim back of his father riding an old motorcycle. After more than half a month of tireless efforts, the boy created a tyrannical motorcycle. The father was surprised and happy after reading it. He never imagined his son would make the three-wheeled motorcycle he dreamed of for himself, and he praised himself for raising a good son. College really didn't pay off. After listening to his son's explanation, the father couldn't wait to get around the village, feeling it was much better than his old motorcycle. Without further ado, let's look at the whole process of building the boy. The process is very exciting and stressful. I think you'll be surprised when you finally see it, and understand what it means to be a master. In folk, you are my heart is for you. As the saying goes, the point of love is love, not the point is duty. Artisans wake up early every day and work hard to create. It is not easy. I think since you are handsome and beautiful, since you see here, you will certainly not be stingy with the support of free love and encouragement to able men. Your support is the driving force of our ongoing creation. Thank you very much. At this point, the production of the entire motorcycle is complete. Did this finished product blow you away? What do you think of the man's ingenuity? If he's 100 out of 100, you're willing to give him some points. If you like, please like and follow him, and share different handmade products every day.